Welcome to an introduction to Marvelous Designer. My name is Marcel, and I'm a professional video game developer with over 10 years of experience. I recently added Marvelous Designer to my daily workflow as an environment artist. This is why I want to introduce you to a brand new tutorial that I've been working on. This tutorial is not about characters, it is dedicated to the needs of environment and props artists. In over 3 hours of fully commented video footage, I will guide you through the most important features that Marvelous Designer has to offer. You will learn everything you need to know, from the very basics of the tool to large complex simulations. I will show you in detail how you can create and simulate cloth objects in many different sizes and shapes. You will learn how to add attachments to your creations and how to add high quality details to your cloth surfaces. Together, we will go through the process of how cloth can interact with imported geometry in Marvelous Designer. You will also learn how to create detailed, just field padding. I will also show you how you can use Marvelous Designer to improve your sculpts in ZBrush. I will share all source files with you so you can easily understand and follow every single step of this video. For just the price of a coffee, you will learn everything you need to know to enrich your game art with high quality cloth simulations coming from Marvelous Designer.